Dewalt just dropped two brand new 1/2 inch impact wrenches in Australia in the DCF921 and the DCF922. And while they look the same, they've got a couple of differences, so let's talk about them. First off, the 921 has a hog ring while the 922 has a detent pin. Despite its small compact sizes, these impact wrenches pack plenty of punch with 409 Newton meters of fastening torque and a whopping 610 Newton meters of nut busting torque. There's two buttons down on the base of the tool just above the batteries. One of them is for toggling the lights. You can toggle them on and off, as well as there's two brightness settings, just in case the bright setting is too bright for you. And the other button is for cycling through the 4 modes. Of course, 1 and 2 is your high and low gear, and they both feature precision mode. When fastening in precision mode, it cruises along until the impact first engages, at which point it pauses for just 1/2 a second. That gives you a chance to not over tighten the fastener. It then goes full send and drives it as hard as it can. When you're in reverse, in precision mode, it detects when the fastener is free and it stops impacting, and it slows the max speed down as well, so you don't lose your nut across the workshop. And the other mode in the center there varies from the 921 to the 922. On the 922, which has the detent pin, that 4th mode is a wood screw mode. And that increases your drive speed when going into softer material like wood, which, just as a caveat, is a good reminder because you'll often drive your bugles in with your impact, which can do the job just fine. When you compare the impact to the impact wrench, it's chalk and cheese. It's also working a lot less hard, not getting anywhere near as hot, which is more than just doing the job faster, they're gonna last you longer as well. On the 921 that's got the hog ring anvil, that wood screw mode has been replaced with a scaffolding mode. In scaffolding mode, when tightening, it cuts power after a couple of impacts to prevent over tightening. And when you're in reverse, it senses when the nut or the bolt is free and it cuts power as well. That prevents you from dropping your nut or bolt from height. Of course, if you don't like the tool thinking for you, you can just whack it in high or low and use that variable speed trigger and your own skills. And if you need something bigger, Dewalt just dropped a brand new mid-torque wrench in the DCF921 as well. I'm going to be talking about this wrench in a future video, so make sure you like and follow along so you don't miss out on that one. Dewalt's also dropped a range of boots as well to protect your tool, so if you love your tool, make sure you grab one of those as well. Otherwise, if you want more info on either of these compact impact wrenches from Dewalt, they're available now at your local Sydney Tools store. Go online at sydneytools.com.au. You can also hit me up in that comment section down below if you have any questions. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.